Hey, it's Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and today I'm here with another great listing, 5333 Lake Pleasant Road. Over 3,500 square feet, bank barn, huge 3-car garage with an awesome workshop. It's sitting on 2.6 acres with a gorgeous pond. But before we get started, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, click the thumb to like the video, and click the bell to get notified when we have more great listings. So let's go check out 533 Lake Pleasant Road. Come on. So you just got a good view of the front of this property. It's a beautiful, big 3-car garage. And by the way, there's a huge workshop in the back. You got the big bank barn. This is zoned rural residential. So if you wanted to have chickens and goats, you can do it. This is a place to do it. Again, this is sitting on 2.67 acres, beautiful pond. Let's go check out the back. Come on. So we're in the backyard now of 5333 Lake Pleasant Road. And as I mentioned, the back of this property is amazing. There's this huge pond behind me. It's got fish in it, bass, koi, and panfish. Great yard, huge covered deck. So take a look at this. This is amazing. Check out this amazing, huge, covered concrete patio. You can entertain all your friends, have cookouts with the family reunions, and it overlooks that beautiful pond you just saw. By the way, this really nice covered patio that overlooks the yard, it's also the breezeway that connects the house to this 3-car garage with this huge workshop. So let's go in and check out the garage and the workshop. So you've got 3 overhead doors, 2 of them with automatic openers, floor drains, and it walks back in. We'll do a full view of this man cave and workshop back here. Check that out. Coming off of that really nice covered patio, it's also the breezeway. And we walk in first at a nice sunroom. And this sunroom is heated, it's got electrical, it could be a great office or a playroom for the kids. So now I'm walking from the sunroom into kind of a landing here. And this landing area, it's got a little gas stove here. You can go into the bathroom, and there's also a breakfast nook off to your right. And that breakfast nook is right off of the kitchen. Here we come, right into the kitchen, as I said. There's a gas stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, hardwood floors, these huge hardwood old school cabinets, 2 of them that stay with the house. And you got a big farmhouse sink right here. And this leads right into the big dining room. Here you go, you're walking out of the kitchen and you're coming right into the dining room. And also there are 2 main entrances to this house. At the beginning of the video I was standing in front, and that porch with the pillars behind me leads into a nice big enclosed sun porch, and you can walk into this dining room, or you can come from the garages through the breezeway into the back of the house like we did. So check out this nice big dining area. Now we're going to head from the dining room into the living room. First you come through these nice hardwood French doors, a little space here with a piano, and then it walks right on through to a really big living room. You can see this is a really nice big living room. So behind me is one of the first floor bedrooms, and off to the left is another first floor bedroom. So take a look at those. So right behind me is the main entrance to the house, okay? Those are the pillars behind me when you saw us start the video. And if you come in this main entrance, there's a door here to take you into the first floor, or you can walk upstairs here, and there's a whole nother level to this house. More bedrooms, another full bath, and a kitchen. Because this level at one time was used as an in-law suite. So this could be a second floor to the house, an in-law suite, or you could even rent it out as Airbnb space. So let's go this way, right into the kitchen. Take a look. So there's a nice space there for a refrigerator in the corner. The gas stove does stay. Nice big second floor living room with a gas space heater. And there's also hot water heat on this level, plenty of outlets. Now when you come back out of that living room through the kitchen behind me are 2 more bedrooms on the second floor. Check them out. This is the second half of the second floor, and it's kind of an interesting space. Behind me is another bedroom with the closet just outside of that door. This could be another bedroom, it could be a walk-in closet, and this could be another family room up here, or a huge playroom for the kids. Check out this space. I'm outside right now in the other half of the property, and I'm behind the bank barn. And I just wanted to show you this. We'll do a full 360, just a massive yard, tons of grass. There's a swing set, a fortress, a sandbox. If you're a kid with this yard and that pond, this is a great place to grow up. Just check this out. So that concludes our tour of 5333 Lake Pleasant Road. An amazing property. 2.6 acres, the house is 3,500 square feet, 4 beds, 2 full baths, there's an in-law apartment upstairs, huge full basement, big 3-car garage with a great workshop, the big bank barn, the huge yard for the kids to play. This property is amazing, and it's hitting the market right now. But before you go, again, subscribe to my channel, click the thumb to like the video, and click the bell to get more notifications. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent, and thanks for watching.